Just going to show you what I have in my tool bag that I keep around the house to do basic jobs. So, in here I have a set of multi-grips made by Nipex. I've got a Stanley knife, which has been pretty good. I've got a Milwaukee ratchet screwdriver that has some bits in the end there, good for fixing my young fella's toys. Got a finger ratchet, just getting into the fiddly areas. Got a small pair of combination pliers, 140 Nipex. I've got a new set of multi-grips that I haven't used yet. Nipex pliers wrench. They've been pretty good, like recently when I put a new shower head in. I got spare blades for my Stanley blade. Got some plumber's tape or Teflon tape. Some string, always good for tying something up. Got a Texta, good for marking things. Got a little shifter. I use that a bit more than I use the pliers wrench. The pliers wrench is good for big stuff, but this gets into more places, I reckon. I like it better. That's made by SP Tools. Got a little tape measure, just a little 2 meter one, just good for measuring things. While we're measuring things, I got a little ruler, always handy to have. Now I've got a little bit set, and I've got a little bit driver. That one's made by SP Tools again, pretty good. I've just got all your basic Torx, hacks and Phillips. Also I've got 1/4 inch sockets and a breaker bar for 1/4 inch. So if I break it with that, and then I usually put an adapter in to my screwdriver, which is just here. I'll put that on there. Once I've broken it with my breaker bar, I can just undo pretty much anything around the house. If it's not strong enough, I go to the ute and get my big set. So yeah, and I got various little bits and tech screw bits and different drivers and things. But yeah, that's what I have. Save me walking out to the ute to get my big tools.